Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your communication skills with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating your Slack account. Visit the Slack website and sign up for a free trial or choose a subscription plan. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the sidebar on the left to see different channels and direct messages. To join a channel, click on the Channels section and search for relevant topics. Join channels that interest you or are related to your work. If a channel doesn't exist, feel free to create one by clicking on Create a Channel. Next, customize your profile. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Edit Profile. Add your name, a professional photo, and a brief bio. Utilize your status to inform others of your availability. Click on your profile picture again and choose Set a Status. Use this feature to indicate if you're in a meeting or away from your desk. Learn how to send direct messages for private conversations. Click on a person's name in the sidebar to start a direct message. Practice using emojis and reactions to make your messages more engaging. Become comfortable using mentions to grab someone's attention. Type it followed by the person's name in a message to notify them. Explore integrations and apps to enhance your communication experience. Visit the Slack app directory to discover useful tools for your workflow. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to save time. Press Ctrl+K or Command+K to quickly switch between channels and messages. Engage in conversations actively by responding and participating. Ask questions in channels when you seek clarification on a topic. Use threads to keep discussions organized. Click on the Reply in Thread option to respond directly to a message. Experiment with file sharing to collaborate with ease. Drag and drop files into the message box or use the plus button for attachments. Stay proactive by checking Slack regularly for updates and new messages. Set notifications to ensure you don't miss important communications. Customize your notification settings according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.